Yeah, that's Jerry Emelson. It's my 1966 John Deere 110. I had it pretty well gone through right down to the last bolt, stripped down to the frame. Everything's brand new on it, mower rebuilt. And there's a little trouble finding a few parts for it, but we got them all. It's just like the day it rolled out of the showroom. But yeah, it's a fun little, looking for a little, the 80 trailer for it now, so I can find one of them, but it's kind of a hobby, expensive hobby. Cost me a lot more to fix this thing than I realized it, but it was worth it in the end.
So what's the horsepower?
It's 8 horsepower.
8 horsepower.
4-speed transmission with variable drive.
How long have you had it done?
Last for probably 6 months.
So you haven't mowed any grass with it yet?
No, she's never gonna mow a blade of grass. New blades on it, new hubs and everything, but she's not for mowing. That's where I got the big John Deere for, the new one. But oh, it's a fun toy, something to do.